I will just show that, if I may. This is me attempting to draw a dog about 15 years ago.
Okay.
That was about a couple of years after that.
Mm-hmm.
Then I thought I would try wood burning, pyrography. Then I discovered pastels. So I tried pastels.
Yes.
Then I discovered you and tried again pastels.
Wow. Amazing.
And here's a dog. That's
Wow.
most recent piece. So I've gone from useless to being very proud at what I can achieve, and that's through being a member of the Animal Art Club. That there's no two ways about it. If I hadn't have joined, no way could I produce artwork like that. So thank you. I have gone from literally useless, as I say, to being very, very pleased with what I can produce in a very short amount of time.
That's
and
amazing.
I know that if I stick with you, and I will be even better this time next year. And it's something for me to aspire to, and everybody else. You can never stop improving. You can never stop learning. And what the content that you give us in the Animal Art Club allows you to do that, and it's brilliant. I like the fact that you tell us what pencils we need and the pastel mat or whatever paper we're using. You simplify it so much. We know what pencil that we need to pick up, and that makes such a lot of difference. You speak well, you speak slowly, but not so much to make us feel inferior. But you take your time, and that allows us to take our time and become brilliant artists, because I'm sorry, I am one, thanks to you. For anyone that's thinking about joining, stop thinking, just do it. If I can do it, anyone can. I'm so glad I made the decision. Yes, there are cheaper ones out there, but you get what you pay for, and the amount of time that's being put into the Animal Art Club, not only the tutorials, but the Q&A sessions, everything. You're not going to get any better than that anywhere. So please don't procrastinate. Stop thinking about it. Get on there, join, and I'll see you soon.